any reservation?
Yes, I have.
May I have your name please so I can check your reservation list?
I'm Rose J.P. Mata.
Okay ma'am, this way please. Have a seat ma'am. Anyway, ma'am, I am Yana, your food server for today. May I lay your table napkin?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your water. Like some refreshing juice like iced tea or pineapple juice?
Iced tea.
Okay, ma'am, excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bread. Do you want some? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our menu? I'll be right back to take your order. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
I want chicken teriyaki and beef steak.
Try our tomato soup?
No.
How about mango float?
No.
May I suggest to you our red wine?
Yes.
Okay, excuse me, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You order for beef steak and red wine. Is that correct? Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear your table? Excuse me, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, may I present to you our wine list? We have Petco Gravel Road from Valley, Oregon, Silver Oak from California. Where's your cork, ma'am? May I pour the wine to you? Some more?
No.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your beef steak. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I turn? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Okay, ma'am. Thank you for coming.